What's going on, guys? Sean here. Gonna do a shave tonight. I did a live stream earlier, honing 2 razors up. First razor I did is this J.A. Henkels 41. It is a carbon steel razor. Single focus. Alright. It's a full hollow grind, and then the second one I did is this Robeson Co. Heavier grind. So I finished this on a jasper stone, and then the Henkels was finished on a caudicle. The soap I'm going to be using for tonight is Subtle Art Soap Company Carmel Tabacco. Wow. Stuff smells really good. Pre-shave I'm going to be using is Goodfellas Smile Dawn of Glory. And then the brush I'm going to be using tonight, it's been soaking in water, but it is my Zenith boar brush. I don't remember the millimeter knot it has on it. I think it's 24, 26, something like that. Alright. I've got, I believe, 4 days of growth going, so. Right. Oh, that was a little too much, but it's okay. And I've got, I think, 4 days of growth. 3 or 4 days, something like that. Ooh. Slippery slope. Alright, I'm excited for the shave. I need to start shaving more frequently. Just been lazy lately. Well, at least on the shaving part. I've been working out. It's my 4th day in the row of working out consecutively. Alright, so we're going to start with the Robeson Co. first. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Dry the fingers off here. Alright, let's see how we do. Actually, I'm going to... It's in the pretty good edge, yeah. Put the glasses back on. So I'm blind as a bat. All right. All right, let's try out the other blade. Yeah, the edge on this Henkels could definitely be better. Could definitely be better. Right. The Jasper Edge definitely wins tonight. Definitely wins. Alright, let's do another pass. Get out of here, boar here. Alright, let's do an against the grain pass. Get this shave finished up because I'm tired. I've got to be up in the morning. I've got to rotate certificates on some systems. Some of this Carmel tobacco is really nice. I wonder. I think there was a matching splash that Joe sells. All right. That was a nice, comfortable shave. Let's do some Thayer's, witch hazel, lavender. And then we will finish that with some Aquavelva Musk. Been really digging this stuff as of late. It's a nice scent. All right. Well, fast, quick. Well, relatively fast for me, I guess. Comfortable shave tonight. I will catch you guys in the next one. You guys have a great weekend. See ya.